Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is the second video. I just did a video on this skull, and I'm still not 100% sure that's what he wants, trying to help somebody out. But the invert colors, and if you look, I have a yellow box around a black rectangle, a white rectangle, because you can't see the yellow. The only problem is with this, if you select it all and you go up to Effects, Transform, and Invert Colors, the white is going to come out of black, but the black is going to come out of gray. So it's still, there. And I mean, it does a lot of weird stuff. I've never really heard of use transform colors because it's going to make a yellow blue. Now, I don't know if it's going across the color spectrum. Now, the only way I could really see, let's just back up here when we have white, make this one a gray, and then select them all and go to Effects, Transform, Invert Colors. So now you have a dark gray and a lighter gray, so it's transforming them, making them darker and lighter. I've never used transform colors just because I'm an engraver and we don't really use colors. But it wouldn't really work in this case, and if you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch it. And this would, everything in black would engrave, everything in white would not be touched. So it is maybe what he wants, but effects and transform and invert colors, they're not going to just swap the colors that are in the picture that I know of. Maybe somebody else will chime in. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.